Good morning. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. Today's assignment for Wednesday, 4/20, is going to be on worksheet number 5 and worksheet number 6. Many of these problems we've already done in our notes, in our warm-ups, in our minute to win it that we played yesterday. So all you got to do is go back and look at some of these problems and you probably already have them done. Okay, I only expect you to do the multiplying part, which is the ones that have the multiplication symbol. For example, 1, 2, not 3, but 4. Okay, not 5 and not 6, but 7. Okay, and so on. So I'm going to give you 3 examples and then you can use those to help you do the rest of the page, worksheet 5 and worksheet 6, all of the multiplication ones. Number 1 is a matter of eliminating the factors that are the same from the top and the bottom. You have 2 b's in the top, 2 b's in the bottom that cancel each other out. You have 1a on the bottom, so you can eliminate 1a from the top. So you're left with 2a over c. Okay, let's go to number 2. Number 2 has 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. So that when you see 3 terms, you know it's going to be a CB table. And then you have y plus 3 on the bottom. So when you have 3 terms, you're going to say c is equal to negative 15 and b is equal to negative 2. So what numbers can I multiply together to get 15? Well, I know those are my factors and I know one of them has to be negative so that I can get a negative 15. If I make negative 1 negative, that would give me 14. Wrong answer. If I make negative 5 negative, negative 5 plus 3 gives you a negative 2. Whenever you have signs of numbers of different signs, you subtract them and keep the sign of the bigger number. Okay, so those are my factors, x minus 5 and x plus 3. I guess it should be a y. Okay, over 4 times 8 over y plus 3. And if you notice, that's exactly what we want because now I can cancel out the y plus 3 from the top and from the bottom. And if you notice, you can also reduce 4 and 8. 4 goes into 8 2 times. So your final answer is 2 times y minus 5 all over 1. Sorry. That's it. You can either distribute or you can leave it like that. Okay, let's look at number 2. Number 2 does not have, number 4 does not have 3 terms, but all of them have 2 terms. So if you have 2 terms, you know you're going to try to get the greatest common factor. Okay, so the GCF, what is the greatest common factor between 5 and 15? That will be 5. So you're left with n plus 3. And the bottom, the greatest common factor between 4 and 8 is 4. So you put 4 on the outside because 4 times n gives you 4n, and 4 times 2 gives you 8. I'm just rewriting the fraction as something simpler. I'm going to factor out the 2, and I'm left with n plus 2 because 2 times n is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. I'm going to factor out a 3 because the greatest common factor between 3 and 9 is 3. So I'm left with 3n plus 3. 3n, 3 times 3 is 9. Now you can eliminate the common factors, n plus 2, n plus 3, and you can reduce 2 into 4 2 times. So your final answer is 5 over 6. Okay, I hope those were enough examples. I gave you 3 different examples. One to get the greatest common factor when you have 2 terms. One that has 3 terms and how to do the CB table. And then one that just reduces the fraction by simplifying. If you need more help on any of these topics, you can go back and watch worksheet 1, worksheet 2, worksheet 3, or the notes on simplifying, finding the greatest common factor, and the CB table. Hope you guys have a nice day. Make sure you behave for the sub, okay? And make sure you turn in your work. You'll use the same packet again tomorrow. Bye.